Hello, in today's demonstration, I am going to show you how to make a small gift box out of old paintings. You will need uh, a painting on Bristol paper or thicker cardstock type paper. That will work best. Here's a painting, an old painting that I could turn into a gift box. If I folded this, it would come out approximately this size, a little bit larger. Okay, what I've done today is I've cut down one of my painted studies into a 5x7 sheet rectangle, and I have a matching 5x7 sheet of plain brown cardstock paper for the base of the box. So here's the one I made here. This will become the lid, and this will become the base of the box. Okay, I'm going to get started. You will need 2 pieces of paper, preferably cardstock, one of your paintings, cut to 5x7, a pair of scissors, a straight edge, a pencil. I think this, what do you call this? Bone creasing thing will help. And I'm going to use this paper tape. Tacky glue works better, but I don't have the time to sit here and hold it. So for expedience sake, I'm just going to use this tape. First thing you want to do is turn your painted sheet of paper over, and you are going to, from one corner to the other, you'll make a diagonal line so that you get an X. Then you'll repeat that on your plain piece of cardstock. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is then fold one edge of the paper to the center of that X and crease it with this tool. Repeat. If you don't have that, you can just use your fingernail or some other object. Okay, then I'm going to go lengthwise. Same thing, crease. All right. Okay, so then I've got that crease. Let me do the base of the box. You want to be fairly precise with this. Think origami. Okay, now this is the important part. On the longer side of the rectangle, this is the 7-inch edge. I'm going to cut to those points. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing, repeat with the plain sheet of paper. Okay, then the magic moment, I'm going to take these edge flaps and fold in. Just create the walls, the structure of the box. I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the inside. Again, tacky glue will work best, but you kind of have to hold it for about a minute till it adheres. Then I'm going to lift up these edge flaps. And if you notice, there's a little bit extra here. We're going to fold that over fold that over. That'll hold your box together. And I'm going to tape this down. Again, tacky glue would be more secure. If you don't like the X in the middle of your box, before folding, you can erase that. I have made gift boxes with like a little quote or some nice sentiment on the lid. Okay, so there is the lid of my box. Now I'm going to do the base. And you can do this with greeting cards that have you know, an opening, like a that fold open. You can rip them apart and you'll have two halves, and you can make boxes from them. Okay. I actually got this lesson from an occupational therapist who I guess did this with some of her clients. It's great because you get a nice little structure that then you can put a gift in. Okay, again, going through the same process. Okay, so there's the base of my box. And then to complete it, I put them together. And there I have small gift boxes from leftover paintings. And you can go really any size you want, just as long as you have two sheets of cardstock paper that are the same dimensions. Okay, enjoy.